Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. If you want to see how to make this laundry folder using Dollar Tree items, then definitely stick around. So what you're going to need are some sink mats from the Dollar Tree, and you're going to need 6 of them. You can go ahead and remove the stickers off the sink mats. You're also going to need some type of tape. I'm using this clear tape. You can use duct tape. Here's a quick tip. Take a paper clip and stick it right to the end of the tape end, so you never have to figure out where the heck that tape end is. So first you're going to take your first 2 mats and go ahead and just tape them together on both sides. Now you're going to take a 3rd mat and tape it to the other end, just like the first one. Now both sides will fold in just like this. Now you'll need your 4th mat, and you're going to tape it right to the middle one on both sides again. Now that middle one will flip right over just like this. So now you'll take your 4th mat and tape it to one end, to your left side, right side, whichever side you're gonna do, and just tape those 2 top and bottom together on both sides. So now they fold over on each side, and also the one in the middle will fold up as you saw before. So now you'll take your t-shirt that you need to fold from your laundry, put it face down, collar up, and fold each side in like this, and then the middle, flip it up. And there you go. You can fold your clothes now professionally, perfectly, with this easy Dollar Tree DIY hack. How simple is this to make? And it's going to make your life so much easier when it's time to do laundry. Well, it's when it's time to fold that laundry, because I don't know about you, I hate folding laundry. This is going to make it a little bit easier and a little more interesting. So if you love this Dollar Tree hack, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think about this hack, and it's something you'll do, and do you think you'll find it useful as I do. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you all in the next DIY.